Hi guys. So I have an electric bike and I decided that I need some lights. Okay, let's complete the drawing. It takes 1 amp. The voltage is 12 volts, and in the AliExpress description it was 48 watts, which is not true, as it takes 1 amp and there is 12 volts. The lamp is 12 watts and that's it. Description is lying, and as I paid for this lamp only €3.50, it's really good for me. 1 amp I think will be good. So the red wire is for stops and yellow for the main light. I paid for it only €3.50 as well. Now I need to draw everything in 3D so I could print needed part. Okay, and there are printed parts. Something like that. And the rear lamp. As these parts are made from cheap PLA plastic, I am really afraid that sun, ultraviolet can damage it. So I decided to paint them. We'll see how it will go. Most interesting thing and most complicated and this biggest challenge for me was to draw these parts, to fabricate them in 3D software. I think it went quite well. There are some small details, such like this groove and also the holes for the screw. looks quite good. And another interesting thing, how much time it took to print these parts. The printer was printing this part about an hour, these two parts 2 hours, and these two parts also 2 hours. So in total about 5 hours. So I made some mistake with the print. As you can see, there is a wire coming out from the lamp, but I think that I will leave it like it is. I will put some washers in between. That wire would have free space, and also there are some marks of the bad print, as you may see, or maybe not. This corner should look different, but I don't care. The goal is not that to make ideal prints or something like that. It's just to make working parts and put everything together on the bike as soon as possible and just to use them. Okay, now all the parts are painted in matte black. It almost can't be seen that they are painted, but I think that they will be more UV resistant. A little bit sanded it with sandpaper and painted in matte black. Okay, and we have a problem. Instruction of the bike tells that there is headlight connection on the A connector. I found the connector and tried to test it. To turn on lights, I need to press C button. Okay, icon shows that lights are on, and you can see that there is 49 volts, and this is a problem because my lights are 12 volts. We need some sort of converter. So I was thinking a lot. I tried to find 12 volts somewhere, but no success. I was thinking to order some converter, cheap converter from AliExpress or something else, but it takes time, and I will wait for it for a month or something. So I came to very simple solution. Will show. Just simple wall socket, 12 volts power supply. I hooked it to the connector, and what we have okay, and there is 12 volts. Okay, so I have nice wire which will connect in the Ebike connection, and I took another power adapter which is 3 amps with the reserve. As you saw, from the headlight takes 1 amp, so we need to open it to remove this socket, as I do not need it, and it should fit in the small box in the bike. So let's proceed. Okay, this is nice. This is nice power adapter because it has fuse. I do like it. Okay, we fit power supply in the bike. Connection is there. We have wires. Let's test it. Nice. Let's close the box and let's test it on the road. Okay, how does it look like? Those are brackets, the lamp,